Hi everyone, it's Matt Benton at MKB Environmental Services. Just when we thought it was safe to go out into the beer gardens, it might not be. This spring has been absolutely ideal. We've had warm temperatures, etc. It's been ideal for wasp breeding season. So we're already seeing sort of high numbers of wasp activity in the on the east coast here of Lincolnshire, and I've already treated in the last week 6 wasp nests, and so the activity is going to be quite high this summer, we're predicting. So if you have a beer garden and you own a pub or restaurant or a place where people are gathering, then you need to think about actually how can you protect the public from the risk posed by wasps, because you do have a duty of care to them. Or it might even just be that you want to protect your family from getting stung by wasps. Now this in front of me here is what I think is the ultimate wasp trap. Now gone are the days of putting a jam jar out with holes in it and just seeing how many wasps you can actually capture in that jam jar, because actually that defeats the object, because you're actually attracting more wasps into the area. The great thing about this trap is once the wasps are in it, they can't get out again. So once you've got the wasps, they can't go back and tell their friends where the food source is, so you don't end up with more and more wasps coming into your area, which is what you want. So again, like I say, if you have a place where the public gather, obviously social distancing taken account of, etc. So if you have a pub, restaurant, outdoor area, or even if it's just in your own garden, then you need to be protecting your family, protecting the members of the public, and we can do that for you. It's MKB Environmental Services, and we can be contacted on 01507 311195. That's 01507 311195.